everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to share with you my recipe for sweet cream pancakes, which is the most popular recipe on my website, and after making these pancakes, I'm sure you'll know why. Please make sure to subscribe to my recipe channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss any new videos, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 3 cups of heavy cream, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Begin by mixing the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and sugar in a mixing bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk the heavy cream, eggs, and vanilla extract together. Mix the wet and dry ingredients together and know that the batter will be extremely thick. Heat a griddle to medium-high heat, about 300 degrees, and spray with cooking spray or grease with butter. Place approximately 1/4 cup of batter on the griddle for each pancake. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until little bubbles begin to appear. These pancakes will take longer to cook than standard pancakes. Be patient and don't flip too soon or the pancakes will fall apart. When ready, flip the pancakes over and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown. Serve these pancakes with your favorite toppings like butter and maple syrup. I hope you love these sweet cream pancakes as much as I do. The full recipe is in the description as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.